Hello, Jamaican Fire Department. How can I help you?
Help me, please. My house abandoned.
Alright, Mama, you said in my house?
No, me the outside. Help me, please. My house abandoned. I have nowhere to go. I need somewhere to go.
Okay.
My house abandoned. Please help me. Please, God. Me don't know what to do. Please. Please help me, please. Please, oh God, what me I gonna do? My house abandoned. Oh,
Alright, man. Stop ball on your phone. Show your ball. When you lose your eye water, then I go put out the fire. I go blow it out with your mouth. I go catch a bucket of water. Crying can't help nothing. Sure. You can't bear up or you can't for one hug. Stop ball on your phone, man. Sure. I listen, me is not no superwoman, right? So me don't know if I put out in the fire. Me just need one job. So instead of stand outside like you just watch your house abandoned, why you not go try put it out? Eh? You just stand outside and you're bad to me. Me look like your mother for you bad to me. Listen, go try put out the fire there yourself. You can make I help you. Right, good luck and goodbye. I wish you the best.